Hello, this is davidji. I'm coming to you from the secret beach in the sweet spot of the universe. And as you can tell, it's pretty secret. There's not a soul anywhere. But I'm also here with Peaches, the Buddha princess who teaches in every moment, resist nothing, and you'll receive unconditional love. How you doing today, Peaches? We spent a couple hours meditating and running on the beach. She's in a total chill mood. So check this out. Look at the ocean. See all that turbulence? And then look at this tide pool. Just gently, softly rippling. Turbulence and tranquility. So that's what our mind is doing on a consistent basis, shifting back and forth between turbulence and tranquility, between activity and clarity. We need the activity. It helps us think. It helps us come up with stuff. It helps us be creative. It helps us express ourselves at our highest level. So this is really, really good. But the key is, how do we dip ourselves into that on a consistent basis? Peaches and I like to use 16 seconds. Close your eyes and breathe in through your nose. Watch that breath as it goes down deep into your belly. Hold it when it gets there and just watch it. Keep witnessing it. Keep observing it. And now release it. Watch it move up your chest. Keep watching it. And hold that breath out and keep observing. Keep witnessing. And that was 16 seconds. And in those 16 seconds, you are not in the past, you are not in the future, you are not necessarily any place. You are dipping in to your internal tide pool of tranquility so that when you come back into activity, you can make a better choice, you can make a better decision. So now you know how to dip yourself, dip your toe, dip your mind, dip your brain into that stillness and silence. So the next time you have that opportunity, take it. 16 seconds. Namaste. Wave goodbye, Peaches.